Think your kitchen and home can't get any smarter? Think again. Today we're revealing 20 amazing Amazon finds that make cooking, organizing, and everyday life so much easier. From clever kitchen gadgets to space-saving solutions, these products are practical, affordable, and worth checking out. Some of these hidden gems might become your new favorites. All the product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. HOOBRO Rolling Kitchen Island. Transform your kitchen space with this stylish and practical island cart. It gives you extra countertop space for meal prep while providing storage for cookware, utensils, and kitchen essentials. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move wherever you need it, making it a perfect space-saving upgrade for busy kitchens, apartments, and small homes. Number 2. KitchenArt Spice Carousel. Keep your spices organized and easy to find with this smart rotating spice organizer. It helps save cabinet space while keeping all your favorite seasonings within quick reach when cooking. The compact design makes your kitchen look cleaner and turns everyday meal prep into a faster, more convenient experience. Number 3. Chef Finger Guards for Cutting Aid. Make food preparation safer and easier with this handy kitchen tool. The finger guard helps protect your fingers while slicing, chopping, and dicing, giving you more confidence while cooking. A simple yet useful gadget for beginners, home cooks, and anyone who wants extra safety in the kitchen. Number 4. Mini Cup Fruit Slicer. Prepare fresh fruit faster with this compact and convenient kitchen gadget. It helps slice small fruits quickly and evenly, making it perfect for snacks, lunchboxes, desserts, and daily meal prep. The easy-to-use design saves time in the kitchen, while its small size makes it easy to store in any drawer. A simple $5 gadget that adds extra convenience to your everyday routine. Number 5. 2. Layer Coffee Mug Storage Box. Keep your favorite mugs organized and protected with this stylish storage solution. The 2-layer design helps maximize cabinet space while keeping your coffee cups neatly arranged and easy to access. Perfect for coffee lovers, small kitchens, and anyone who wants a cleaner, more organized countertop. Want to check out these amazing products? All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Number 6. Hair Tool Organizer. Keep your bathroom counter neat and clutter-free with this smart storage solution. It's perfect for organizing hair dryers, curling irons, straighteners, brushes, and other styling tools in one convenient place. The compact design saves space while keeping your everyday beauty essentials easy to access, making your morning routine faster and more organized. Number 7. GripStic Bag Sealers. Keep your snacks and food fresher for longer with these easy-to-use bag sealers. They create an airtight seal on open bags of chips, cereal, pet food, and other pantry items. A simple kitchen gadget that helps reduce food waste, keeps your pantry organized, and makes storing leftovers more convenient. Number 8. Stainless Steel Dish Drying Rack. Upgrade your kitchen counter with this durable and space-saving dish rack. It provides a convenient place to dry plates, bowls, cups, and utensils while keeping your sink area clean and organized. The stainless steel design is sturdy, rust-resistant, and perfect for everyday kitchen use, making cleanup faster and easier. Number 9. Sorbus Soda Can Organizer for Refrigerator. Keep your fridge neat and maximize storage space with this handy can organizer. It neatly holds soda cans, sparkling water, and other beverages while making it easier to grab your favorite drink. The stackable design helps reduce clutter and keeps your refrigerator looking clean and organized. Number 10. Comforters Storage Bag. Keep your bulky blankets, comforters, and seasonal bedding protected and organized with this spacious storage bag. The durable design helps keep items clean, dust-free, and easy to store under beds, in closets, or on shelves. A simple, space-saving solution for keeping your home neat and clutter-free. Love any of these Amazon finds? You can find all the product links in the description below. Number 11. Sinnsally Cabinet Door Organizer. Turn unused cabinet door space into smart storage with this handy organizer. It's perfect for holding cleaning supplies, kitchen essentials, bathroom items, and everyday products. The easy-to-install design helps maximize space while keeping your cabinets neat, organized, and clutter-free. Number 12. Travel Vacuum Bags for Clothing. Pack smarter and save valuable luggage space with these travel vacuum bags. They compress clothes, blankets, and bulky items, helping you fit more into your suitcase or storage area. Perfect for vacations, moving, camping, and closet organization, these bags keep your belongings protected while maximizing space. Number 13. Lifewit Underbed Shoe Storage Organizer. Make the most of unused space under your bed with this smart shoe storage solution. It helps keep your shoes protected, organized, and easy to find without taking up extra closet space. The clear top design lets you quickly see your shoes, making it perfect for small bedrooms, apartments, and clutter-free living. Number 14. Clothes Hanger Space-Saving Shirt Organizer. Maximize your closet space with this smart hanger organizer. It allows you to store multiple shirts vertically, helping reduce clutter and create more room for your clothes. Perfect for small closets, apartments, and anyone looking to keep their wardrobe neat, organized, and easy to access. Number 15. TUNISE Handheld Fan. Stay cool wherever you go with this compact and portable handheld fan. It's perfect for hot days, travel, outdoor activities, work, or relaxing at home. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while the convenient size fits perfectly in your bag for instant cooling anytime you need it. All product links are available in the description below. Number 16. DOQAUS Ice Cube Tray. Make perfectly shaped ice cubes with this convenient kitchen essential. The flexible silicone design makes it easy to remove ice without cracking or spilling, while the lid helps keep ice clean and fresh. Perfect for water, cocktails, coffee, and everyday drinks, it's a simple upgrade for any freezer. Number 17. OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner. Make fresh salads faster and easier with this smart kitchen gadget. The powerful spinning design quickly removes excess water from lettuce, vegetables, and herbs, helping keep your greens crisp and fresh. The easy-to-use pump system and sturdy design make it a must-have for anyone who loves healthy, homemade meals. Number 18. DREO Space Heater. Stay warm and comfortable during chilly days with this compact space heater. It delivers quick, efficient heat, while its small design makes it perfect for bedrooms, offices, desks, and small spaces. A convenient way to add extra warmth exactly where you need it without heating the entire home. Interested in any of these smart finds? Check the description below for links to every product featured in this video. Number 19. Bathroom Mirror for Wall. Upgrade your bathroom with this stylish wall mirror that adds both function and a modern touch. It's perfect for daily routines like getting ready, applying makeup, shaving, or checking your look before heading out. The space-saving wall design helps create a cleaner, more open feel, making it a great choice for bathrooms, bedrooms, or entryways. Number 20. Avocado Slicer. Make preparing avocados quick and effortless with this handy kitchen gadget. It helps you slice, pit, and create perfect avocado pieces in seconds, making it great for salads, toast, sandwiches, and healthy meals. A simple tool that saves time, reduces mess, and makes enjoying fresh avocados easier than ever. If you enjoyed these Amazon finds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart kitchen gadgets and home essentials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.